Hey guys, to connect your smart TV to your Lorex account is that ask here is that you need, or I mean, in order, where is it? In order to view your device on a TV or monitor, you need to have a streaming device either built into the TV or monitor, which may example for this is that Chromecast built-in or Fire TV built-in. So you must have those or attach the streaming device to the TV monitor's HDMI port, which includes Apple TV, Chromecast, Fire TV, and etc. So for this part right here, which is the HDMI port, is that this port right here is where you should need to plug in the HDMI right here. And also, here is another one which connects to oh, the Ethernet. This is the Ethernet one which connects to directly to your Wi-Fi. And otherwise, there is no way for the smart device to communicate with your TV or remote. So you just need a HDMI and the Ethernet that is connected both to your cameras and TVs. So you just need those two in order to use your smart TV on your devices or Lorex.